Bláithín Mackin, many congratulations. We just heard the Armagh crowd there. We just saw your reaction. You're through to the All-Ireland quarter-finals. What an unbelievable game. Talk us through it.
Oh my goodness, we knew we had to come out today just to prove everyone wrong, really. Like, we've had our ups and downs throughout the year. The Ulster final and the Cavan game, obviously we were in a bit of a lull, and we just knew we had all we wanted today was a performance, and the management would be happy with the performance, and we knew if we gave her everything that we would get the result. It would come itself, and thankfully it did, and we're just happy to be back in the All-Ireland quarter-final, to be honest.
Has that been the key, that idea of getting a performance? Because we've heard the management team talking to us beforehand, forget about what's happening, 60 minutes, that's what needed to be done today. Has that been ingrained in your minds for the past couple of weeks?
Yeah, definitely, just because in the past, obviously 11 points down and we got beat, or 11 points up and we got beat by a point in the Cavan game. If you worry too much about the scoreline, it gets the better of you, really. And if you look to win, like, we knew at the end there that we had a win. Well, we thought we had a win by 2, but if you focus on that too much, it won't come. The pressure nearly will get too much if you have to win by a certain margin, and if you get a performance, it obviously will just all you want, really, on the day.
And Bláithín, like, nobody gave anyone Armagh a chance today. Like, this is Cork. Cork are the All-Ireland champions 11 years of the past 14-15 seasons. They're league champions, they're Munster champions. You know, you saw what they did to Cavan last weekend. So where did that belief come from, that you could actually come here and take on a side of Cork and beat them?
Well, if you want to be in the senior division, you're going to have to play the likes of Cork if you want to compete at this level. They are the best of the best, like, and that's where you want to be at. It just makes it all the sweeter to come out and beat them, really.
And of course, typical Cork, you're well up, and then the next thing you're coming back. So, I mean, there was a calmness though about Armagh, wasn't there, in that second half?
Yeah, well, that's definitely been put into us as well, just to relax, because obviously sometimes in the Ulster final it looked like we just got a wee bit overwhelmed with it, really, but we knew if we stayed calm, we've got the players, we've got the talent there. We just know if we keep calm under the pressure, then we'll come out the better side of it. Well,
we're going to let you go and enjoy the celebration with your teammates. You're, of course, Laoch na hImeartha, agus to Helen O'Rourke, Príomh-Éimeanna Cumann Peil Gael na Man, and Seán and Gradam a Runawart.